So the first thing we need to do is give the character squinting eyes. And to do that, all we need to do is draw the top and bottom eyelids quite close together. So start off by just doing 2 straight lines across, just above the center, and then do the same just below the center. And because the eyelids are quite close together, they're actually going to cover some of the irises. Another thing you can do just to show that the character is actually squinting is add lines just above and below the eyes. So the next thing we need to do is draw the eyebrows, and they basically need to be really low and sloping down towards the middle of the face. They're basically going to make like a V shape. And because they're being pushed downwards, you can actually add wrinkle lines in between the eyebrows. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So the next step is to draw the mouth, and with the mouth we don't really need to add much expression. So all I'm going to do is draw a straight line across. And the reason I'm not adding much expression to the mouth is because if you add too much expression here, the character will start looking more angry than annoyed. And then another smaller line underneath, because when your character doesn't have any lips, then just adding that small line makes it look much better. So I'm now going to draw over the sketch with a darker pen. And that's it, how to draw an annoyed expression on your characters. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe because there's going to be loads more videos coming up. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.